Okay, we are now in the example number 3 of a circle. Given the center -8, -5, and radius is 3. So therefore, we all know that the value of h is -8. Para hindi na kayo malito, ganyan nyo na lang. And k is -5. And then the radius is 3. Okay, so we need to give the standard form of equation of a circle given the center and the radius. So ano yung standard form of equation of a circle? That is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So just simply substitute. Okay? What is the value of x? Wala. Kasi walang given point. Coordinates. So minus, ano yung h? That is -8. So -8 minus -8 is squared plus y minus, y minus, what is our k? That is -5. -5. Mahirap magsulat sa screen. And then the radius is r, so 3 squared. And simplify. Tandaan nyo class, given the center and radius, ang goal natin, yung equation natin dapat maging ganito ang itsura. Okay? So yung x minus -8 ay hindi pa gano'n, hindi pa naka-simplest form or naka-simplify. So x minus -8, that will become positive 8 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to, what is 3 squared? That is not 6, so that is 9. So this will be the standard equation of a standard form of equation of a circle given the center is -8, -8, and -5, and the radius is 3. Okay, let's move on to example number 4. What if the center is square root of 5 and then 2 square root of 2. And the radius is square root of 10. So tulad ng example number 3, just simply substitute to the standard form of equation of a circle, that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, given the center and radius, we need to find the standard form of equation given the condition. So x minus, we all know that the standard form of equation of a circle, that is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, so substitute natin x minus, what is our h? That is square root of 5 squared. Square root of 5 squared plus y minus 2 square root of 2 squared is equal to, what is our radius? That is square root of 10 squared. So therefore, yung x minus square root of 5 squared ay ganyan na, hindi na mababago. So x minus square root of 5 squared plus y minus 2 square root of 2 squared, ganyan pa din, squared, is equal to, what is the square root of 10 squared? What is square root of 10 squared? That is, we will cancel the square root and the exponent too. So therefore, the answer is 10. So this will be the standard equation of a circle given the center is square root of 5, 2 square root of 2, and the radius is square root of 10. Ngayon, halimbawa, class, given this equation, standard form of the equation of a circle, paano kung pinapanap sa'yo ang center and the radius? What will be the center and the radius given this equation? So that is, we all know that yung kasama ni X is laging si H. So ano yung center natin? Lagi H and K. So ilagay mo lang dyan. So what is our H? That is square of 5. And then, the value of K is 2 square of 2. Ma'am, bakit hindi mo sinama yung negative? Tandaan ninyo na kapag given ang equation, yung opposite sign ng ating H and K will be our coordinates. Okay? Bakit? Kasi X, dito nang sa taas, X minus square of 2 is the same, square of 5, I mean. Pag inequate natin yan into 0, that will become positive. The value of X is positive square of 5. Okay? Kaya opposite lagi yan. Maliwanag. And then the radius is, what will be the square of 10? Okay, we all know that R squared. Paano naging square of 10 ang ating radius dyan? Kasi yung R squared, equate natin into 10. We all know that the radius in the standard form of equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Ito yung r squared natin. Yan yung 10. So therefore, r squared is equal to 10. Ngayon, square root natin, what will be the answer? Cancel, cancel, cancel. So the radius is square of 10. Bumalik lang tayo dun sa ating given condition. Tingnan nyo. Sa taas. Ito yun. Maliwanag, kapag given yung equation natin at pinapahanap si center at si radius. Okay? Pero dun sa ating sinod, given ang ating center at radius at we need to find the standard form of equation of a circle. So ito yung sagot natin. I hope this is clear.